Shalom Akim, Yahweh, Bashim, Shai, Bashim Kakadash, double and salutations to the elders and apostles who brought me strong and well, and to the Akim around the four corners of the earth, preaching the gospel of Amashak Shai in diligence and seriousness of mind in this last days in time. Yeah, so it's just not surprising concerning the prophecy of the Lord, where he warns the elect, through the Apostle John about the mark of the beast, the image of the beast, and definitely is that chip, and the microchip. So many things, and from healthcare to transportation, education, there's always some technology involved that uses the chip. All right, so I'll play this clip real quick, and I get some precepts.
I have a question about patient engagement, and you had touched on this before. All of these advances are amazing, but even if you make the greatest drug or the greatest wearable, there's no guarantee that the patient is going to take the drug, wear the device. So how are you thinking about technology to engage the patient?
Yeah. Again, maybe I will use an example. I think it's fascinating what's happening in this field right now. I mean, FDA approved the first electronic pill, if I can call it like that. So it is basically biological chip that it is in the tablet. And once you take the tablet and dissolves into your stomach, sends a signal that you took the tablet. So imagine the applications of that, compliance, the insurance companies to know that the medicine.
Yep, so it shows you that the so-called FDA, the pharmaceutical company, and these tech firms and the insurance company, they're working hand in hand, all right, to ensure that their plan goes ahead, and then you read the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 2 verse 11. It says, lest Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices. All right, so you just got to be aware, man, of prophecy taking place, and how to prepare yourself accordingly, because the salesmen for this so-called New World Order, they're everywhere, man, and they're gonna keep pushing their agenda over the news, or on TV, over the radio. Almost every channel they get a chance to do so, they will do it. Even in the so-called churches, man. So that's why it's very important, man, to stay informed about what the Lord, and to be circumspect. So that's why I'm going to read this beautiful precept. Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 1. It says, I will stand upon my watch and set me upon the tower, and will watch to see what he will say unto me, and what I shall answer when I am reproved. So the Lord requires us to be attentive, to the events that's occurring around the world. Okay, and you got to take it seriously, and it's going to be a rough journey for a lot of people that ignore, the word of the Lord. And hey, there's nothing the elect can do to save those people. They just got to get their judgment. So let me play the rest of this clip.
That patients should take, they do take them. It is fascinating what happens in this field. But of course, There will be an initial cost that someone needs to invest.
Yeah, so that's peanuts, man. Peanuts. All the guy will do is just put some digits on the computer system and pass it along, and people think that's real, real investment. So it's just an illusion. People are gonna fall for it. That's all it is. It's just an illusion to carry people along. So folks just gotta be circumspect, man. So one more precept just to wrap this up. All right. So this is what the apostle Peter says in the First Peter chapter 5 verse 8. It says, "Be sober, be vigilant, because your adversary the devil, as a roaring lion, walketh about, seeking whom he may devour." And how does he want to devour the people? With lying words. So you gotta be on point when it comes to being circumspect, man. The Lord, has given us the blessing to stand firm. All right. Shalom.